Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. From the thumbnail and from the title itself, you all must have got a little bit of idea that today I am going to show a makeup haul. Basically all these products have been reviewed on my channel, but this is just to make a haul so that if you have missed any of the video, you can definitely go ahead and you can watch the video. And I'm not showing off or I'm not bragging, or even I'm not trying to say that you also have to buy all this kind of makeup and you also have to be like a makeup hoarder. No, nothing like that. It is my duty what I'm doing right now, because I have my own YouTube channel. So on my YouTube channel I do have to review, I do have to like compare lot of makeup products, and that is what I'm doing, and that is why I'm purchasing lot of makeup. You don't have to feel pressurized, you don't have to feel that you don't own makeup or something, nothing like that. Whatever you have, and you are a inner beauty soul, keep that thing in mind. Each and every person in this world is beautiful. Everyone has their own kind of beauty, everyone has their own kind of uniqueness in themselves. So never feel guilty or never feel underrated or underestimated that you don't own any kind of makeup. Alright, and let's move with the video. Okay, the first thing is I have ordered, basically all these products are mostly bought from Purplle, that is I got from Purplle, and if it is from other website I'll let you know. These are basically 6 NY Bay High Island Eye Pencil. This is the first product. You all can see one label is already gone. These are the total 6 high on eye pencils. The individual review of the same is already up on my channel. Whatever video is possible on the eye link, I'll try to link that, and if not, definitely do check the description box. Each and every video will be there, and if at all you cannot find it on the description box, don't worry, directly head towards my playlist. There you can find all the videos. Okay, if it is comparison, then you can go to the comparison playlist. If it is a review video, just head towards the review video. Okay, this is the first product, that is NY Bay High Island Pencil. This is the another product from NY Bay itself. It is Skyline Kissing Lipstick Pencil. I have compared actually this lipstick pencil with Stay Quirky Love Biting Lip Pencil or something with that. So you can check that video again if possible, I button or else in the description box. This is the second product. The third product which I want to show you is over here. This is from the brand Carmesy or whatever you call. It is their Penty Liners. I have already done a comparison video of this particular Penty Liners with Bella Penty Liners. I link that video again, I button or in the description box. So which one is better for you, cost effectiveness, which one performs better, if you want to watch that video, definitely you can watch that video. This is another third product from Purplle itself. Then I got this particular Blue Heaven concealer. This particular concealer, it is in the shade Caramel. You all can see over here, Caramel. I have already done a comparison video of this particular Blue Heaven Flawless Concealer with Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. So again, if you want to watch, go to I link or in the description box. A detailed comparison is given, and who wins, which one is better, definitely you can find it in that particular video. Alright, then I have actually, when I ordered all these things, I got few of the products as a free gift. I'll tell you, I got this NY Bay Runway Matte Dual Lipstick with Argan Oil. You all can see. Okay, and the shade number which I got is 18 Closer. I'm not sure which is this the shade number or something, I'm not sure. I got this free. You all can see I have not yet opened it, and I already told in my sugar sugar liquid lipstick swatches video that I am gathering lot of products. So even I think this will also go. So this is a liquid, not liquid, this is bullet lipstick, this is dual lipstick pack. So this will also go in the giveaway. That is why I have not opened it yet. Okay, this is one sample Good Vibes Green Tea Face Cream sample. I got it from Purplle just while ordering all that stuff. Okay, then I got this 2 makeup remover. Okay, one is the biface and one is the normal. This is the biface one and this is the normal. This is the new launch. I've already done a comparison video of this as well. You can find it in the comparison of products playlist. So definitely go ahead and you can watch that video if possible. I link, or you can go ahead and you can check check that in that particular playlist, that is of comparison products. This is Byfest, this is normal, already done a comparison, so this is the next product. Then I got this Stay Quirky Baby You Are Gold collection, one of the nail paint. Okay, the shade which I got is 06, already done a video. Basically all the products comparison or maybe review is already up. Now then you will say, why Meghna, then you are just showing up? I'm just showing you that YouTube, when you work on YouTube, it is not very easy. Lot of people think, okay fine, you get the products, you do it. No, it is not very easy. You do have to like continuously work, and that is why I do have to get lot of products. I'm not saying कि I'm doing any kind of meherbani on anyone. No, I'm not doing, it's my work. I'm just showing you. Okay, I also got one second, this NY-Bay Skinfident nail polish remover. Okay, so I got this also, as well as I got this Asfa Halal one also. So both this nail polish remover, I'm just showing in one only. Y'all can see both this nail polish remover I got. Okay, and while ordering all this, I got actually this Vyam Ayurveda Fuller's Earth and Turmeric Skin Purifying Powder, 40 grams of product free. I have not yet opened it. I am not sure whether I'll be using it or I'll be giving it away in a giveaway. That is why it is not yet used, not opened. I am not sure. So let's see. While ordering all this, again I got this 2 nail paints but of same shade, free. So maybe one will go in giveaway and one I'll keep. Okay, y'all can see, same shade. Basically that is what the complaint I have with lot of websites. When they give free products, at least they should have given 2 different colors, right? Same shades, one person cannot apply same shade, right? And I don't have anyone at least at my place who can apply nail polish. It's only me who can apply. And I have my son and my husband. They don't apply. So sometimes it becomes very annoying when you get 2 same shades. They should consider giving 2 different shades. So maybe either one will go in giveaway, or maybe if someone is taking it from me, then I'm not sure, whatever. So these are the 2 nail paints from NY-Bay Shakti collection. I got it as free. Then last thing which I want to show you are this nail polish from NY-Bay. I'll just tell you, it is the Big Apple Cookie range. All the 6 shades. No, basically they have 8 shades. Sorry. You all can see. Right? All total 8 shades. I have already done a review video of this also. I have already done swatches, that is applied single coat, double coat, and shown you side by side. So you all can go ahead and you all can watch that video. It was a little bit time consuming for me, so at least give it a thumbs up for that video as well as for this video as well. Right now, next product what I got is, I'll show you. I'll just keep this parcel little bit away, otherwise everything will fall off. I have actually kept in Plum's packet because that box is proper. Okay, now I'll just get another box here. This is the last box, but I just wanted to show you. And if you don't trust me, then these are all the bills. You all can see, mostly from Purple. Okay, then next what I got is this mascara from Essence. It is the Lash Princess mascara. It has been actually very much raved in outside India, like US and all the people, they just go gaga with this particular mascara. So I wanted to try, and I got it from Flipkart. I have not yet opened it, and I am not going to yet open it because I do have 2 mascaras which are already open. One is from Maybelline. I have done already that video. So you can go ahead and check that Lash Lift mascara. So it is already opened. Then one other mascara is there. I'm not sure whether that is open or no. That is why I'm not opening it right now. But this is the next mascara what I got, and I can show you directly now. All this I won't show you all because then it will be, I don't know, possible or no. These are basically all this 12 Blue Heaven Walk Free matte lipstick. Okay, I have just got right now I think 8 or 9 shades on my hand. Rest all are in the basket because it is not possible to get, otherwise it will break. Okay, so I have done all full review with makeup, without makeup, so you can check that also. While ordering, I am pretty sure I got this as a free gift. This is one of the NY-Bay lipstick. I'll show you. NY-Bay free lipstick. Even this is not open. So you all can see I'm gathering actually a lot of products, but for that you need to keep on supporting. So this is also probably go in the giveaway only. Then these are the 3 products from Aswa Halal. One is their bullet lipstick, already reviewed. Okay, this one is their matte liquid lipstick, already reviewed, and this is their eyeliner black, already reviewed on my channel. So this all are products basically I got from Purple, and the Blue Heaven lipstick I got from Amazon. The mascara I got from Flipkart, and rest all are basically from Purple itself. So I have already shown you all the products. If you see, all the products link is given individually in each and every video, but still if you want any particular products link, you can definitely ask me, or else you can head towards that particular video. You will find all the links, because linking all the products again in this video will be very much, and it will occupy a lot of space. So that is why you can just go and check that particular video. You will get all the links. Okay, and if you are watching till here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and you can hit the like button, as well as you can share this video also with your friends and family. Ask them also to subscribe. If you have any other video request which you want me to make a video on, definitely let me know. If you want to ask me any further on about anything, head towards my Instagram. The link of the same will also be given in the description box. You can check that as well. Yeah, that is all for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.